Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So I'm going to be planning for week 11 today, and this is the Hemlock and Oak B5 Minimal Planner. So for the 10th to the 16th of March, I'm going to do a bumblebee theme because I'm just feeling the spring vibes, even though it's not spring yet. Look, I even have little flowers on my nails because I'm just ready for spring. The kit that I'm going to be using is actually from the very first order I ever got from Hubman and Chubgirl. It's from the Happy Bee box, but I do have some bee positive stuff contained within it from the Bee Positive Advent calendar. And they do have a couple of bee themes and they're all gorgeous. The one I used last year was a Hobonichi one and it was honey lavender. And it has its own set of washi and everything. But this one I really love too, with the blues and browns and the bronze gold foiling, because I had been looking for a bee kit for ages and I didn't want one to look like a real bee because honestly that would creep me out. And this was just absolutely perfect. So today I'm actually going to use it. There's 6 sheets. So this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, and sheet 6. And as you can see, I took 2 days and 2 dates out because I actually did the Bee Positive theme in my journal recently. I shared that on Instagram. If you're not following me there, I share my journal spreads a lot. So that's the kit. And then I have some sticker sheets. This is Buzz Buzz. And then this one doesn't have a name. It's sheet 1 and 2 from the Bee Positive Advent. And then I have some stuff left over from the variety sticker pack. This is washi honeycomb stickers. And then a couple of the stamps. And then I have 2 of these labels left. And I have It's Okay Not to Be Okay, Think Positive, Be Positive, the plain bumblebee, and a bumblebee sitting on top of a honey pot. And I also have the washi duo, and it is honeycomb, a metallic bronze gold, and a blue background with little bees, and it has the flight path lines with the word buzz in gold. And then finally I have some of the smaller sticker sheets. So we have Be Kind, Be Strong, Be Happy, Be Proud, Hi Honey, and Busy Bees. So let's get started with the top bar. I'll do what week it is up here and get all my new dates and days in, and then we'll go from there.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything, you never questioned why. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right. All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough. There in the moment, in my white dress, an overwhelming second of regret.
This week I want to see if I can actually do work, socials and weather all in this section, because I like to put all my full boxes down here, I think, and then washi on top of it just for something different. So we'll see if we can do that. So I'll start with work. So I'll do a yellow one of these as a divider in between. And then I would probably need to use thinner headers because I'm trying to fit more in. Let's use the tabs because I'm not going to use them as actual tabs. So I could cut it. Let's do this little honeybee house. Okay. And then I will cut down the middle. Where's my scissors? Like that. For the header. In fact, I'm going to do socials first. So that'll be my socials, and I'll do a blue and then a yellow underneath. Instead of doing a checklist, I'm going to do this, I think, for work. So let's cut out a yellow header. Alright, so I'm going to use these two larger boxes. So let's see. Set these to the side a second. So one's yellow and one's the bluey colour. So let's lift a lighter blue here and cut it. Like that. And then put in the yellow one. And then I'm not going to have room, I don't think, but I'll see if I can space it. Because it doesn't have to say the page number and the week down here. I can go right down. So let's do then brown. Although there's only one brown. And I really should have done the brown one down here. And then the lighter blue maybe up there. To divide the brown out a bit. But I bet if I tried to lift that, it would rip. Let's see. Did a little, but not too bad. So let's glue this. Just leave it sitting there a second. Right, so this will be the lighter blue. And then this will be the brown. And then this. Yay! And then that leaves this whole section free. So, I'm gonna write all that in and then have a play about with my full boxes down at the bottom.
Driving on a freeway with no exit signs, losing control and speeding faster than light. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right, and all the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough.
There's no weekend banner, but I think I might add some of these just as decorations in the very corner. Right, I think that'll do. Okay. Should I put actually this here and just make a feature out of it? Yeah, I'm gonna put it down. There. Right, let's get the plans in. So, Monday is my Tesco delivery. I'm doing back to my normal. So I'm going to lift Let's do a little brown one and bring in some brown over there. At 12. And then Tuesday is my brother-in-law's birthday. So I think I'm going to put this little happy waving bee down here, like that, to represent that. And then I'll do leave out the bins at the top with a blue. I think this is going to be another week of only using the kit, I think, because I have plenty. Not going to do that forever because I want to use my other stickers too, but I'm just in the mood for just using what's in the kit for that week. And between my journal and my planner, I've actually been doing really well this year using stickers up. So that's Tuesday stuff in, and then Wednesday I just have which bins they are. And I think I'm going to do this other blue right beside it and be different this week and not do the 3 dots, just write what they are in there. And then Thursday I have my nail appointment. I'm going to use this last one here. I'm going to keep this for a journal spread, I think, in the future. And that is at 1:30 this week. So I'll put it here. And then I need a sticker here for updating the groceries. And I'm going to do, I'll bring some blue up there with this. I kind of want to put something else in the middle of them. Yeah, I'm going to put one of these little honey pots just hanging from the top. Yeah. Okay, let's write everything in.
days pass, the story begins.